Love is the foundation of this world, the superior emotion that is the reason behind all human connections. Love is something that binds this world together and makes us realize about the beauty of creation. We as humans are part of a wonderful journey curated by the Almighty, who gave us this opportunity to spread the message of love, peace, and harmony. But then, instead of uniting as an entire human race, we created boundaries based on belief. These boundaries led to restrictions, and these restrictions limited us from cherishing the feeling of love. In this video, we are going to talk about a story that proves the eternal existence of love. A story that emphasizes on the significance of emotional connection between human beings. And a story that portrays this beautiful feeling of love in its purest form. This is the story of Sufi and Sujata in a musical romance, Sufiyam Sujatyam. Now, actually, this film is more than just a love story. It's a heartwarming tale of two individuals who are meant to be together even in the afterlife. In a world filled with materialistic desires and hollow emotions, Sufiyam Sujatyam reminds us about the pure, unconditional nature of love. Sufi is a man who has dedicated his entire life towards celebrating the presence of the Almighty with his miraculous voice. Sujata is a mute Kathak dancer who expresses herself using her devotion towards the dance form. These two individuals are brought together by the crossroads of destiny, and then we are transported into a mystical journey that signifies a relationship whose definition goes beyond the norms of the society. An everlasting bond developed on the foundation of conveying a sense of respect. Sufi and Sujata enter into a series of emotional revelations that help them to understand each other in a better way. She gets inspired by how Sufi surrenders himself while expressing his love for the Almighty, just like how Sujata considers Kathak as a divine way of communicating her thoughts. She starts feeling liberated by joining her divine act with Sufi's expression of love. And despite having cultural differences, Sujata starts investing herself to understand more about the world of Sufi. But then, their love story starts facing a strong resistance from the society. Their mutual intimacy gets challenged by cultural beliefs, and their love becomes a victim of judgment. This quest of achieving a perfect world with no limitations and judgment is the story of Sufiyam Sujatyam. Now, what sets this film apart is how the message of love has been portrayed in a rhythmic and philosophical way. Writer director Narani Pooja Shanavas has curated a world that includes a captivating amalgamation of two different art forms, music and dance, that convey the true meaning of love. The poetic treatment of the story and how nature becomes one with love are two defining elements for this film. The mesmerizing background score and music by M. Jayachandran also plays a very important part in terms of setting the entire story in motion. Music is something that establishes a strong bond between Sufi and Sujata. In fact, music is the binding force that makes them cherish their feeling of love without any limitation. Music is their emotional motivation, and M. Jayachandran has done a complete justice by supplying his melodious symphonies that guide the emotions of both the characters and the audience. The best part about this film is how it reminds us that the first and foremost step of expressing love is by conveying a sense of respect. In today's day and age, when the actual understanding of love has become non existent, this film does a fantastic job in teaching us how love is not just confined to infatuation towards physical appearance or seeking sexual gratification. Love is more about how you respect a person for who he or she is. There are various instances in this film that show how Sujata's love for Sufi stands firmly on the pillar of respect. For example, she is left awestruck by looking at how Sufi remembers the Almighty with his exceptional dance move. And later, this dance move becomes both a symbol of love and a token of respect for Sujata. For me, this particular scene in the second half is the most powerful one, as it shows how this relationship is protected by the purity of respect. The way Sujata stands on her toes to hug Sufi shows how she regards him with utmost respect and admiration. This mutual respect is the reason why they are both free from all kinds of insecurities and judgments. Every actor has done an impeccable job, and I am especially excited to watch Aditi Rao Hydari and debutant Dev Mohan in many more roles. And I think it's needless to say that the beauty of Kerala never fails to bewilder me. Lastly, I think that Sufiyam Sujatyam is like a cinematic canvas with some impeccable strokes of storytelling. You will be greeted with an enchanting experience that will stay with you for a long period of time. And the story will remind you of the fact that love is the ultimate resolution to save this world from getting destroyed by the weapon of judgment. All it demands is your patience, and all this film gives you is a harmonious emotional fulfillment. So, guys, what do you think about Sufiyam Sujatyam? Let me know in the comments, and I will be back soon with another video. Till then, my name is Porush. You're watching the 70mm show. Long live cinema.